Hip it a 1,000, there's 1,000. Thank you, two, 2,000 right back at here, 3,000 to go. Up a $3,000 bid.
Imagine elegant country living in Floyd County, Georgia. Imagine gently flowing pasture, perfect for livestock. Now imagine beautiful wooded tracts of land, all fenced, all yours. Add in a beautiful home, barns, farm equipment, even a truck, and now imagine you're the highest bidder. This beautiful estate can all be yours. On Saturday, October 4th at 10 a.m., the J.L. Todd Auction Company will be selling the H.I. and Francis Jones Estate, approximately 95 acres in 12 tracts. This beautiful land will be sold in tracts, combinations, and as a whole, so come ready to bid. Everything will be sold. In addition to the land, the estate includes a 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath home, a storage building, 2 pole barns, ponds, and beautiful pasture and woods, fenced and cross-fenced. Plus, the J.L. Todd Auction Company will be selling all of the remaining furniture and farm equipment, including 2 tractors, farm implements, a Ford F-250 truck, and more. Everything will be sold to the highest bidder. This estate has been used as a cattle farm with its many gently rolling, fully fenced pastures. The property could also be used to grow timber, crops, or just a relaxing place for your horses. Other tracts would easily lend themselves to home construction. The options are many. Each tract offers road frontage on either Pleasant Hope Road or Compton Road. Tract 1 is a rectangular 5.1-acre tract of mostly pasture with road frontage on Compton Road. Tract 2 is a 6.3-acre tract of mostly pasture with a stand of woods at the back. It borders Compton Road. Tract 3 is mostly woods with some pasture near Compton Road. It is 6.8 acres. Tract 4 is a rectangular 5-acre tract and is about half woods and half pasture. Tract 5 has road frontage on Compton Road and is 12.25 acres. It's mostly woods with some pasture. Tract 6 is 12.4 acres with road frontage on Compton Road and Pleasant Hope Road. It is mostly woods with some pasture near the road. Tract 7 is heavily wooded and is 11.6 acres with road frontage on Pleasant Hope Road. Tract 8 is 9.8 acres and includes both pole barns. It's mostly woods and has frontage on Pleasant Hope Road. Tract 9 is 6.3 acres of mostly fenced pasture and includes the 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath home on Pleasant Hope Road. Keep in mind, most of the furnishings you see throughout the home will be sold at auction. The home sits back from the road at the end of a long driveway. It has a nice 2-car carport on the back and a front porch that overlooks a pond. The brick house was built in the late 60s and has been well maintained. It has a nice entry foyer and hardwood floors throughout. The spacious living room has plenty of windows letting in natural light. It has a wood-burning fireplace and a large dining area. On the back of the house, leading in from the carport, is a den with built-in bookcases. There is a U-shaped kitchen with wood cabinets, an electric stove, and dishwasher. There's room for a freezer in the hallway behind the kitchen. Next to the kitchen is a large laundry room with washer-dryer connections and a half bath. Down the hall is a full bath and 4 bedrooms. Each bedroom has plenty of closet space. The back bedroom also has a full bath. There's a storage building behind the home. This is a well-maintained home you would be proud to own. It's move-in ready. Tract 10 is 7.8 acres of mostly pasture with a pond. Tract 11 is on Pleasant Hope Road and consists of 7.6 acres of pasture. Tract 12 is 3 acres of pasture on Pleasant Hope Road. All tracts have access to county water and utilities. In addition to the land, the J.L. Todd Auction Company will be selling all of the remaining furniture and personal property. This includes a 2005 Ford F-250 four-wheel drive truck, a Massey Ferguson Model 2660 tractor with air-conditioned cab and front end loader, a Ford 4600 tractor, a John Deere 4x4 Gator, a Bush Hog rotary mower, a New Holland 640 round hay baler, a New Holland square hay baler, a flatbed trailer, a stock trailer, Cub Cadet riding mower, plus all types of tools and farm implements. Everything will be sold. All of the real estate and personal property will be sold to the highest bidder by the J.L. Todd Auction Company of Rome, Georgia. Look for the J.L. Todd Auction Tent at the auction site at 355 Pleasant Hope Road, Rome, Georgia. Enjoy free barbecue for everyone. Founded in 1917, the J.L. Todd Auction Company is preeminent among all of the auction companies in the nation, not only because of the excellent service it provides, but more important, its reputation for integrity. Check out the J.L. Todd Auction Company website at jltodd.com for more information on this great sale. The home and all of the property will be sold as is, where is. No warranties as to the condition or use, either published or implied. There will be an open house on Sunday, September 21st and 28th from 1 until 3 p.m. Other times by appointment. Call the J.L. Todd Auction Company to schedule an appointment. Terms on the real estate are 10% down with the balance due within 30 days. A 10% buyer's premium will be added to the final bid price. On the personal property, a 10% buyer's premium will be added to the final bid. The total amount is due the day of the sale. Personal check or cash gladly accepted. No credit or debit cards. Call the J.L. Todd Auction Company at 706-291-7007 for more information. The J.L. Todd Auction Company, selling the world for over 100 years.